Hello guys, welcome back. This is your boy Money Drop. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can start mining free cryptocurrencies such as Litecoin, Dogecoin, Zcash, Bitcoin, Bitcoin Cash, Dash, TRX, Tron, Stellar, Repo and Ethereum every second using these free crypto cloud mining sites. Okay, so before I show you guys how it works, let's go and withdraw because I have already made about 10 Dogecoins, 0.003 Litecoins, about 0.00001 BTC, about 0.00001 Bitcoin Cash, 27 TRX, and over $20 in USDT. Okay, now let's go withdraw this my $20. Okay, and I'll have to head on to my Trust Wallet account and let's go get my USDT address from Trust Wallet. Okay, no, this is not the address. Okay, this is my USDT account. Let's get my USDT address, and here in my account I currently have about 64 USDT here. Now let's head on back to the site and let me withdraw by pasting my wallet address here now, and I'll have to click on withdraw. Alright, and it says the application for payment is created, and here is the payment over here now pending. Okay, so now I am going to wait for them to process this payment, and once I get the payment guys, I will get back to you guys as soon as possible. Okay, so please be sure to watch the end and don't skip any part of this video. Stay tuned. Welcome back. So guys, I have received my payment from CoinDrill. Okay, so let me show you the withdrawal history again, and here now it says successfully. Okay, now let's head on to my Trust Wallet account where I will show you the payment proof over there. Okay, so this is my Trust Wallet, and you will see here that I got a notification from Trust Wallet. Okay, let me even scroll down and open the USDT portfolio, and here is the payment that I received today from the website. Okay guys, so this is a payment of $19.20 sent to me today around 8:10 a.m. from the crypto mining site with the name CoinDrill. Okay, so if you have not yet signed up guys, you have to do that fast to start mining free cryptocurrency from this site every single second. Okay, you can see here that I have been able to mine about 43 TRX and it's still counting. Okay guys, so now I am going to show you how you can be able to start mining. All right, you will get the link to this website in this video's description box. Okay, and once you click on the link, you should be taken to this page. All right, and you click on start mining. All right, and you have to sign up here now by entering your details such as your username, email, password, confirm your password, verify this captcha, then click on sign up. After that, you sign into your account with your username and password, then you click on sign in. Okay, and here we go now to my account. Okay, so once you have signed up guys, you'll be taken to this page over here now, and here you have to select and activate the coin that you want to start mining. Let me say for example now you want to mine Litecoin. All you have to do here now is to click on this plus button to activate your Litecoin miner. Okay, so just keep on clicking on this plus button and it would start mining free Litecoin for you immediately. You can clearly see it here now, mining free Litecoin for me. Okay, if you want to mine Dogecoin, turn down your Litecoin mining power this way now and increase your Dogecoin mining power by clicking this plus button, and it will start mining free Dogecoin for you instantly. You can see here that I have been able to mine about 10 Dogecoins. Okay, if you want to mine Zcash, turn down your Dogecoin mining power this way now, and you've got to increase your Zcash mining power by clicking this plus button, and it will start mining free Zcash for you immediately. Okay guys, so that is how it simply works. If you want to mine Bitcoin, turn down your Zcash mining power this way now. Alright, just turn it down this way now, and you have to increase your Bitcoin mining power, and it will start mining free Bitcoin for you immediately. Okay, so that is how it works. And in case you want to mine Bitcoin Cash, turn down your BTC mining power, and you've got to increase your Bitcoin Cash mining power this way now, and it will start mining free Bitcoin Cash for you. Turn down your Bitcoin Cash mining power, and then you increase your Dash mining power. Alright, if you want to mine TRX, that is all you have to be doing here now. Just turn down the mining power of the coin you don't want to mine and increase the mining power of the coin that you want to mine. Okay, you can do this over and over again. Okay, so that is how it works. You can also mine Ethereum, Repo, Stellar, and a whole lot. Okay, so for most people that would like to mine multiple coins, all you have to do here now is to reduce the one that you are mining and make them 50-50. Let me say now you want to mine both TRX and Bitcoin Cash, just to make TRX 50% and the other one 50%. Okay, you can even do this and mine up to 10 coins by making them all 10%. But I'm going to advise you to focus on one single coin for fast results and to reach the minimum withdrawal amount as fast as possible. So thank you so much for watching guys. Stay safe and God bless, and peace out.